Hi, I'm Sanjana and I've been working with Comviva for the past 3 years. We often hear about adoption of best practices when it comes to coding, but we never really know what exactly do these best practices entail or how exactly should we adopt them. By making use of Jira, which is an issue tracking tool in our project, we have enabled ourselves to decide our tasks before we even start working on it. Whenever we start with a certain task, we design and document it before beginning with it so that not just the developer but everybody else present in the team has an idea about how a certain issue is being approached. By making use of Git, we have created this standardized hierarchy which enables us to commit a certain code in a certain branch whenever we're working on that particular task. Once we have completed a particular task and merged all this code to develop, the next task for us is to merge that particular developed branch into the master branch. What this helps us do is that it creates this entire level in which at any point of time the develop and the master branch remain undisturbed, but at the same time the branch that we've been working on is constantly updated. Not only does this help us by maintaining multiple steps of reviews, but at the same time it maintains the main two branches that we have, that is the master and the develop branch, undisturbed at all times. We have very recently celebrated our 500th PR by following this practice very religiously. We have also leveraged CI and CD in order to standardize our coding approach in a better way. So we're making use of CI, which is provided by GitLab, in order to continuously update our code, and every time that we update a certain branch, we would run builds and tests in order to see if that works fine. Once this is done and we're merging the code from develop to master, we would run builds, tests, as well as the end-to-end test cases. Again, this approach is helping us check our code before it is being merged at any level. We're also maintaining an 85 to 90% code coverage at all times. This is also a practice that we have constantly been observing till now, and we do not merge the code at any level without making sure that our given code coverage point has been reached. Apart from all of this, we've also been using Sonar and Checkmarks, which are two separate tools which help us keep our application into check at all times and fix issues, if any, that arise at any point. We're making use of continuous deployment by means of Jenkins and constantly updating our test and stage servers so that every time the develop and master branches are updated, those servers also get updated at the same instance. I would encourage everybody who's watching this to use these practices because it has made life at our team a lot more easier.